Alright, I'm gonna make this one. Let's see if I will be successful. I have this one in a pan. I already put spray oil. When it's done, we'll bake for 44 minutes. This is the caramel. Later, I will put on the top. It's done now. Let's see. Oops. I'm not really good, huh? Ayan na. Talaga maganda ginawa ko. Ito na yung brownies. Ang sarap.